uh, I also met the lady today on the main road in Toronto, and I talked to her for 15 minutes. She told me that today, the 1st July, is a Canada Day. To go there, and there will be a huge fireworks. Will you please tell me?
There's a fireworks down by the lake. Happy Canada Day.
Oh yeah. She's having a very friendly relationship. There was another lady with her, but she gone to talk to another lady. But the lady gave me the very 15 minutes, almost the very precious minutes. She lives almost at the walking distance, almost 100 yards. In the house number 303.
303.
House number 303, a very walking distance from our home. But she gave me the very precious time. She gave me a very valuable information, and she told me to visit you cannot visit all the Canada
No,
once.
it's impossible. Buy the car.
I will have to. She told me, and she advised me that I cannot move. I cannot travel. I cannot visit all the Canada. Once I will have to visit
You
here
need
at
to
least
come
3
back.
to 4 times. Exactly.
Look how beautiful the sky is behind you.
Exactly.
Isn't that beautiful?
Yes it is. Yes it is. Well, she told me to come here 3 to 4 times and visit. You cannot. I wish to go on west, but she advised me to go towards the east first. But I wanted to go to west. But today, when I will come back to my home, I will talk to both of my brothers. That where should we go? First of all, we will start the voting. And by the majority of the decisions, we will decide that
both
where.
great.
But where should we go? Actually, it is called as the
You
democracy.
will not be disappointed, west or east.
We will. Otherwise, I will come.
And
once.
don't forget to go to Niagara Falls.
I will come. We will go Niagara Falls. No, it is difficult to go tonight. We will go tomorrow.
Go in the
in the very
weekday.
very next coming day.
Go in the weekday for Niagara Falls.
Otherwise, at the weekend, I guess there is a huge,
It's very
busy,
busy. It's
very busy.
very
The huge
busy.
number of people there, and we cannot enjoy.
Yeah.
And you know that I am the patient of blood pressure, and feeling the full time. I lost actually my senses when I find the traffic jam on the road. The same is the problem with me in Pakistan. That I cannot tolerate the full time
So many
traffic
people in
jam.
Pakistan.
This lady is also the patient of blood pressure, and she also.
You're telling everybody my business.
No, not at all. She actually also loses her senses when there is a full-time traffic jam. But she advised me to go to east. I'm having the plan to go to Montreal tomorrow or Ottawa by road, and Montreal and
That's
Ottawa.
not east. East is Halifax and
Exactly. Actually, when we go to
Newfoundland.
east, then we go to east. Actually, we have to cross through the Montreal and
Yes, you
Ottawa.
do.
Yes,
You
exactly.
do.
Actually, when we go to the east, then we will pass through.
Are you driving? You going to drive?
Actually, there is a right-hand drive in Pakistan, and Canada having a left, but I am having the international driving license.
Yeah.
But
But
when
Get a good spot.
But when we will go there, I will try my best to ride on the highways, but I cannot drive on the main roads. I am actually having the very strong driving skills, but it is difficult to drive in Canada because of the different driving side.
Oh,
Actually,
yes.
Canada follows the French driving system.
Yes, and
Exactly,
and
and
the
actually,
US.
exactly, US also follows
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
But Pakistan follows the right-hand driving system as the
Which
British.
is the British, yeah.
British system. Actually, we are having the mirror images.
Yeah.
So we cannot. I cannot drive, but after some time, after driving here on the highways, I will be used to
Yeah.
drive over here.
Yeah.
But madam, it is a very nice talking with you. It is
Me
a very
too.
pleasurable for me that
Well,
I
you
passed
enjoy
some precious
yourself, and welcome to Canada.
that I passed the precious minutes with you. So nice of you. So nice of you. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye.